JD. He is too. JD has been this year too. Here we go. Chrome baseball number 4. I wish I knew ahead of time who or what the lineups were going to look like for a certain day. Because I don't want to go see any baseball game where Alex Avila plays ever again. Good luck, everyone. Need to bust a few more boxes tonight. We need some scenery for our background. Hey, they got Nelson Cruz and that other second baseman guy. Alex Cobb, blue. 41 of 150 for the Rays. Reggie, G-I-E. Castillo, Future Stars. Crawford, refractor. Base. Ah, he's been back, though. It's been nice to watch him the last couple of games. Getting back to old Verlander. Ronis Elias, orange. 19 of 25. How's that for some last team mojo? Going to Thad, K-I-N. Nice card. I don't know that I'd care too much about baseball anymore either, though. You can't really blame him. Lester, refractor. My mind would be preoccupied, I believe. Zimmerman, Prism refractor. Edwin Escobar, rookie auto, blue. 103 of 150. Going to the Red Sox. Steven Q-U-I grabbing the first hit. Elias is relatively new. I think last year was his rookie year. He's decent middle to back end rotation guy. Chapman, refractor. Gordon, Prism refractor. Cueto, Gallery of Greats. Noah, Future Stars. And Spawn, refractor. Is that one of the short prints we were looking for? For the Astros, Robert H.E.S. Look at that. What a box we've got here. A real nice box. Ryan Rua, rookie auto. 43 of 499 for the Rangers. Leon EDG. Ramirez, refractor. You can't wait so long, Shane. Peterson, refractor. Rua, Prism refractor. And players celebrating, gotcha. Dilson Herrera, rookie auto. Going to the Mets, Leon, EDG. Ooh, you got to be quicker than that. Ah, gotcha, Shane. Pujols, purple. 164 of 250 for the Angels. Reggie, G-I-E. Brantley, refractor. It's funny some of the teams that people fight over. Ellsbury, refractor. Verlander, Prism refractor. Swihart, rookie auto for the Red Sox. Steven, QUI. Abreu, refractor. Yelich, Prism refractor. And there's a nice one. Jake Lamb, rookie auto. For the Diamondbacks, Eric, H-I-L. Herrera, Future Stars. Beltre, refractor. Our last pack. Harper, refractor. Abreu, chrome commencement. And Graveman, Prism refractor. And some base. That'll do it for chrome. Number 4. Blake Swihart, yep.
Am I missing something? And then finally the telecast, Keith Hernandez came back and he walked everybody through it. First he thought there was 6 balls. And I was like, wow, this
What's wrong?
Cool.
What's wrong with Ustream?
Later, at 5, when I was watching it, I know it happened. Because obviously we've edited it. But when you have the foul ball, he runs to first base. They talk to one manager to the other manager. This is 3 or 4 minutes. Everybody's forgot about what the count is, and the clicker probably got turned off on the hitter because the umpire, when the ball was called out at first base, said inning over. I'm surprised no one in the Philly dugout noticed it.
Is it?
What was I supposed for? The hitter should be. I noticed it. Hold it. I know you're locked in. You want to get knocked, but time out. You got to know the at-bat. He was destined to get that back. A foul ball, that wasn't a foul ball. It was a fair ball. Yes. And we come back. Who wants to watch Yadier Molina hit and talk?
Try refreshing. Unless you have already.
Most interesting play of the night is presented by Dos Equis, who reminds you to stay thirsty.
Many children need eyeglasses or contacts and don't know it. This can affect learning and behavior, but a comprehensive eye exam each year can change that. Find an eye doctor at thinkaboutyoureyes.com.
Time is the overseer of all things. It sees men plan their dreams, sees them build their kingdoms. It sees them become legendary. Will you build an empire that lasts forever? Game of War. Play for free now from the App Store. Carbs to compete, electrolytes to replenish, everything you need to keep sweating.
Head and Shoulders with Old Spice, America's #1 male dandruff brand, keeping you 100% flake-free, guaranteed, while smelling 100% handsome. Take a whiff. Head and Shoulders with Old Spice.
Hi, I'm Barry Sloan with Tech, the Small Business Authority. As a small business owner, you know how difficult getting a bank loan.
Ooh,
With
nice.
a simple phone interview, we can pre-qualify.
That'd be sweet to pull a Jeter auto.
We're the nation's largest non-bank government guaranteed lender. So whether you need $5 million or $50,000, you can count on Newtek, the Small Business Authority. Call us at 8552-THESBA or visit
No kidding. I would have too.
SBA.com.
That's cheap.
I sent a pizza emoji to my best friend, and she sent me this.
Surprised his stuff's not
And he
higher
sent
down
this.
there.
I sent one to Domino's, and they delivered my favorite pizza. Only Domino's gets me.
Now you can use an emoji to order Domino's.
Unless they're, I don't know. That's weird.
Need to hire fast? Go to ZipRecruiter.com and post your job to over 100 of the web's leading job boards with a single click. Then simply select the best candidates from one easy-to-review list.
Put up one post, and the next day you have all these candidates. Makes my job a lot easier.
Over 400,000 businesses have already used
Nice.
ZipRecruiter, and now you can use ZipRecruiter for free. Go to ZipRecruiter.com/author86.
During a pennant chase, nobody gets it
A nice little collection started. Chrome number 7. We got 12 teams left. We got 11 in Elite 25. 13 in Inception 25. 6 in Inception Football number 12. 9 in Clear Vision number 9. 8 in Prestige number 5. Both of those, the Clear Vision and the Prestige, are 20% off.
MLB Tonight rolls on with Correa.
Nice.
Pedro, here's Johnny. Here's Johnny. What's that pitch? Oh, black away. Jason Hayward to first base. Goldie on the mark this time. That's the
Yeah, it's got to be easier to get them right there in Houston.
snap up on the cotton glove. Would come back to haunt the Diamondbacks. A team that's won 4 in a row. You gotta eat him up. You said we're gonna watch Yada yet. I've seen the left field. Brought his throw, not in time. That's why the Cardinals hurt you. You see that hustle by Jason Hayward? How many guys are going from first to third with the ball left field like that on a bobble? That's a big play. You know why? Score. Piscotty running hard. Oh no. Why are you saying oh no? Because the ball took him towards home. You just go with the ball. I think you go home on that play. Because if you don't turn it, you're giving up a run. So once you have a little indecision, you're giving up a run. That's the challenge of it all. And the Diamondbacks now down a run to the Cardinals. Steven Piscotty with the RBI, 2-1 in the 6th. Okay, let's take another look. Piscotty at the plate. What do you see from Jake Lamb at third base? Well, here it is. As the ball brings him towards home, right there, you go home with it. Hayward thought he was going to get a run down. You see where he slowed down? If we can get a chance to just rewind that and watch Jason Hayward after he catches the ball. All right. Now watch Hayward's path. Once he catches it, he thinks he's coming home. He's going to get a
Anybody got packs? Packs. Nope. Been caught up.
What I'm saying is once a ball takes you a certain direction, and the game's 6-6 in this game, you know you're not going to get many runs against the Cardinals. You don't give them a freebie. If you're going to turn it, you got to turn it quick.
But look how he kind of slipped as he was throwing to second base.
That's been 2 slips tonight, we've seen, right? Well, he went forward, and then he had to readjust his step to make the throw to second. That's what happened.
Base hit up the
still, anything with his auto on it is going to be worth something. Who's winning Rookie of the Year this year? What do you guys think? Let me check these videos. Frank, you should try McDonald's. Little classier. You can hit the drive-thru and just sit in your car in the parking lot. I think I kind of screwed it up tonight, Eric. Threw everybody off their game. Correa and Bryant, huh? American League's going to be tough. Oh, even, I guess the National League is too. I don't know if Bryant still is. Maybe. Yes. You should definitely make her play some... No, just let her watch you play Madden. She'll really like that. Yep.
Yeah, but the thing is, you're supposed to hand that ball to the pitcher and make it a pitcher's responsibility to catch that ball and execute the out. Montero not only confused Iwakuma when he was coming over, because he's expecting that ball. He beats the runner.
Yeah, I forgot about that.
And once Iwakuma goes by him, you can see.
What about Sano? Or Lindor?
And that's the play that in a spring training is practiced the most out of all of the players.
Well, hopefully that poor decision by Montero doesn't cost the Mariners any more. Let's go to Seattle for an update.
On one pitch. That's drilled deep left center field. And gone. 2-run homer. A's lead 7-5. Oh my God.
Well, apparently it did cost him.
Oh my gosh. What was I saying about a half an hour ago? This was so frustrating about this team. Can you believe it was 5-0? Iwakuma was throwing a one-hitter. Not even a half hour ago. I know. It was 5-0 and he was throwing a one-hitter.
And just like that, the A's have a 7-5 lead. And that
Yeah, that's true, I guess.
that when you talk about the American League MVP race, that it's not just Trout and Donaldson. It's Nelson Cruz on this team or Chris Davis really in the mix. We'll talk about that next.
Why is Mike Trout even in the MVP talk this year? Can anybody answer that for me? Is everybody just so infatuated with him being the best player in the game that he's got to automatically win MVP now every year? I don't understand that. You hardly hear his name anymore. Yeah, I don't think Bryant's gonna. Maybe he can develop himself, but I have a hard time believing he's gonna be around for a long time. He wins by default. What about Josh Donaldson? Why won't Donaldson win MVP?
Get off the test track. Get the Mercedes-Benz you've been burning for at the summer event going on now at your authorized Mercedes-Benz dealer. But hurry, offers end August.
There's guys having way better years than Mike Trout is.
Mercedes-Benz with us. Time is the overseer of all things.
Even so, he's.
It sees men plan their dreams.
That's what I think too,
Sees them build
Colts. Look at what happened to that team since he got there this year. And look at what he's been doing all year long, even on defense.
that lasts forever.
And he's not playing in the outfield where you got to run. I mean, he's right there. Infield's way tougher to play than outfield, especially third base. Come on. Donaldson's got to win it. Got to win it over Trout.
We call ourselves the Freedom Hikers. Hiking brought us together, but that's not the only thing that keeps us coming back. Here's to friends who reach for better. Fewer carbs, fewer calories, superior taste. Michelob Ultra, the superior light beer.
Catch Astros Yanks, the Tuesday night showcase at 7 Eastern on MLB Network. This Pancakes, catch baseball's most unpredictable hour, where you just never know who's going to show up. Lamar, Rose, Digital Talk, weekdays at 5 Eastern on MLB Network.
I know how influential it is when you have good people outside of your
Joe. Yeah, Toronto does definitely help with batter stats, but you still can't deny what that offense is. You take Donaldson out of that, and I don't think they're half the offense they are.
Girls Clubs is the official charity of Major League Baseball. Great futures start here.
He's Christopher Manigault-Russo on MLB Network. And never, ever leave.
Goldie's good too.
There is power in numbers. If you're independent, MLB Network brings you more live action, more live coverage, and more analysis with more ways to experience the game. MLB Network, the most powerful way to follow better tips.
Mike Trout once again proves why he is the best player in baseball. This guy's here as a starter set. How does he do it? Do it with the glove, do it with the bat, do it with his wheel.
Donaldson has been
Absolutely insane.
Let's not mess around. It's a two-horse race for AL MVP right now. I know there's plenty of baseball to be played.
I think Tulo's overrated.
For the Blue Jays,
Tulo was in Coors for years.
everyone else. Now you see the OPS.
He's good, but I don't think he's
Very important. On base plus slate.
half as good as what everybody thinks.
Pedro. So where do you guys stand on the Donaldson Trout discussion? Who is the front runner as we speak?
It's hard to dethrone Mike Trout. Yep, amazing year. And Donaldson's doing that. Right now he's the leader. I mean, you're looking at 100 RBIs, you're looking at this club being in first place. I just think going to the other place, the division he's playing in, carrying the club. Right now he's the pick, I think, at this point in time. This is gonna come down to the last week of the season. I do believe Mike Trout's team's hurting him. Believe it or not, as poor as the Angels are playing, I think it hurts him. It does in my mind.
Yeah, but this guy Donaldson has taken over from the starting of the season. He's been doing everything Mike Trout has been doing for the Anaheim Angels. I think this kid has laid it out every day, plays defense very solid. It seemed like the first week of baseball, it was always Donaldson doing those barehanded plays and stuff and diving all over. And now he's backing it up with the offense and on base percentage and all that. I think Donaldson
Tulo?
right now it's ahead of Trout. Believe it or not.
I personally think Tulo's overrated.
73 RBIs to 100.
Okay, but I love RBIs as much as anybody. But when we're talking about MVPs, it's Trout and Pujols and Cole Calhoun. But that's nowhere near the supporting cast.
I agree with that.
Josh Donaldson has. He's got the opportunity to drive in many more runs because of the guys that are in that lineup with him.
Well, guys,
Right?
looks to be slowing down.
Statistic.
Let me go ahead and do a last call.
Fans out there going,
Um,
why are RBIs the
believe Immaculate Baseball got pushed out until Friday.
Sorry, but RBIs are a big stat. You got to score runs to win this game, right? You do. I don't care. You got to drive men.
That is true. Other shortstops are pretty terrible.
Everybody went, oh, look.
Not many of them have the pop like he does, but
You're a big fan of WAR, wins above replacement. Mike Trout has a 7.
yeah, I guess you're right. Anyways, Immaculate Baseball did get pushed out until Friday. We've got some auctions ending tomorrow night on eBay for a box of Immaculate. And we got some more Chrome Baseball up there. Make sure to check those out. Still got 20% off on Clear Vision number 9 and Prestige Football number 5. Got a bunch of baseball stuff close. Looks like we should be able to have a decent night on Wednesday night. Again, I want to apologize for tonight, guys. Some unforeseen circumstances caused me to not be able to get on until a little bit later. I think that threw the whole night into a little bit of a tailspin, so I do have to apologize for that. All right, Eric. Have a good night. Enjoy the next couple of days. We'll see you Wednesday night.
So far, I think the state trooper, Lorenzo King, the Black Giraffe, is gonna be in it. But
you think Lorenzo King will be in it? Why?
Because Kansas City is gonna go all the way to the end. If you are someone that likes to speed on the highways, and this is the kind of trooper you're gonna get behind you, watch out. You better get ready for that ticket and that suspension on that license, because this guy chases all over.
Oh, not a problem, Robert. That's what we do it for. Pull you guys the stuff you're chasing after. I'm glad we finally got one. Everybody's been asking when we're going to get one, when we're going to get one. Finally got it. Been a really good case. Really good case. Got one box left from the first case. We'll get to bust into our second one. We pulled the Buxton SSP, the Correa SSP. Got a Bryant auto. Been a real good case. Yeah, thanks. Get to mess with brakes again tomorrow. Woohoo!
September is such a big month, but that's another 120 ABs.
Yeah.
I mean, we've watched the Yankees going to, they were killing everybody.
It's already on the shelf, Shane. It's on the shelf waiting.
They're going nuts, and then the offense disappeared. And that's
Did you, Tony?
So imagine if one of these guys goes in the tank for about 40 ABs.
Got 3 of them.
You got another 120, 150 at bats, depending on how well your team is playing. Yeah. So we're a long way from that right now.
How many we got left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Give me 3 numbers, 1 through 7, Tony. 1 through 7.
We just do it via satellite, so they're in our home. This is Aaron Hill. He sends this one to left center field. It's going to roll to the wall. Here come the Diamondbacks.
Send it.
Jake Lamb's going to score easily here. Oh, rolling around the infield. 2-2 the score.
It's been a sloppy defensive game for a 2-2 game, right?
This guy's never sloppy defensively.
Give me 3 numbers, 1 through 7.
Four errors already, Greg, in this game.
Garrett Boyd just dropped one down. He can fly, Jake Lamb. Oh, wow.
Ouch, that hurts. Catcher's gear and all, smashing.
Greg Garcia hits in the head.
He's hurt. Remember when Derek Jeter, beginning of the year, in Toronto, when he was sliding headfirst into third and the catcher smashed him and put him out for 1 year? It was like first or second game of the year.
5, 4, 3.
5 years ago. I don't know.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you go, Tony. 3 packs of silver. Good luck. Lopez and Gould. Rose and Miritic. Sutter and Leonard Williams, 388 of 499. Thanks, Tony.
shortstop at Citi Field, and here he is, a very big part of what the Mets are doing.
All right, guys, I think that's going to do it for tonight. Appreciate y'all coming and hanging out, bearing with me while I ran late. Promise won't happen again for a long, long time. I'm not going to say it's never going to happen again, but do my best to make sure I don't do it again. I promise. Oh, the silver packs? Those silvers and the golds are National Convention exclusive packs. Different vendors, breakers, dealers, all those people get them from Panini. They're exclusive to the National Convention. Only place you can get those packs. It's just kind of like another set. But they got different different hits in there, autos, got some jersey stuff, pieces of gloves, buttons, all kinds of different goodies in there. All right, guys, have a good night. Again, make sure to check the Break app. See where everything's at. We'll leave those couple discounts up there on the Clear Vision and the Prestige. Hopefully get those full, along with some more Chrome. And who knows? UD Black is close. Bunch of Chrome is close. Elite, Inception, all kinds of goodies up there for you. So we still got our spend $50 or more, and you'll get a free spot in our Classics random as well. So a bunch of goodies running for you for Wednesday. I'm sure we'll come up with something else again too. So again, have a good night, everyone. We'll see y'all Wednesday.